Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I've been missing for about a year and it has been quite the year, but I am so happy to say that I am back and I'm staying. I'm going nowhere, so you guys will be seeing a lot more of my face. But let me stop rambling on because I'm just gonna keep on talking. So this is today's look. If you guys want to know how I achieved this, then keep on watching. But first, click that subscribe button because we are a family here. And hit the like button and comment some new ideas. You guys know that I love new ideas. I'm always here and I always listen to you guys. So comment down below. Let's interact in the comment section. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. Alright guys, so I have my hair pinned up and I'm ready to jump into my eyeshadow. So for today we will be using the Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette. And this palette is literally my holy grail right now. You can see it has a lot of pinks and purples, some warm browns, some cool tone purples, and it's just amazing. It's beautiful, okay? So I have my eyes primed using the Stay Matte Rimmel concealer because I had actually ran out of eye primer. So we will be hopping right into the eyeshadow. Alright guys, so for brushes, I will be using the Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration. These are another holy grail of mine. So I suggest you go and get these at Ulta. So for our first shade, I will be taking the JS12 brush, which you can see it's more of a blending brush. And I will be dipping into a hot pink. So much has happened in the year that I have been missing on YouTube. Me and my boyfriend have a YouTube channel. I will link that down below if you guys want to go check us out because he's just wonderful. I love him so much. He's like the greatest thing that has ever happened to me. Then I will be taking the JS5 blending brush and I will just be blending that out softly. JS6, and I will be dipping into this cranberry, like a mauve color, and I'll be placing that deeper in the crease. I will be going back in with the JS5 brush and I will be blending that back out. Alright guys, so now I will be taking the JS13, this warm brown shade. Then we'll be placing that even deeper into the crease. Back with the JS5 and blending that back out. And then cut the crease with the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. JS11 brush, and I literally live for the purple. It's like, I don't know, it's just a magical color. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Tap it off and I place it in the middle first and then I build my way up by just packing it on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go back in with the JS13 and I'm gonna pick this very deep purple and we're gonna place that in the outer corner. quickly popped on some liquid black eyeliner, and I used the e.l.f. eyeliner. And I will do this eye off camera, and we will be right back. Alright guys, so I popped some eyelashes on and some mascara, and these eyelashes are from Lash Makeup Cosmetics. We will get into the face now. I don't prime my face, that's just me. I know a lot of people do, so I don't prime it. I just go right in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline FitMe foundation in Fair Porcelain 102. I take a beauty blender and I just put it all over. Alright guys, so now that my foundation is blended all over my face, I will be going in with my Stay Matte Rimmel London Concealer. This is in 011 Porcelain. And I'll just place that wherever I want my face highlighted. Now that my concealer is blended, I go in with two other Stay Matte concealers. These are in darker shades. This is in 360 Bronze and a 410 Beige. And I contour my face. So for setting my whole face, I take the Airspun loose face powder, and I just set wherever I had my concealer first, and I just press it in. So now that my whole face is basically coated in the loose powder, I will bake with the loose powder. So I'll set that underneath my eyes. Go right down the middle of my nose. Alrighty guys, so for bronzer, I'll be taking my Benefit HOOLA bronzer. Alright guys, so now that we have took all of our bake off, we're just gonna do the under eye shadow, and we will be dipping into the cranberry shade. Alright, so I'm just going to add some bottom mascara, and I will be right back. Now it's time for highlighter, and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild. And I will be going into Pink Heart because it is a pink hue of highlight. I literally love this highlighter. So my camera has died, so I'm finishing on my phone because I had went through two. So for lips today, I will be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick in 720 Snatched. I didn't expect that color. Okay guys, so that was a little darker than I expected. So I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Milkshake Liquid Lipstick, and I'll be placing this in the center of my I'm just gonna spray some of my Jeffree Star Morphe collab setting spray, and it literally smells like strawberries, and I literally live for it. Like, I love it, and I know I'm saying that a lot, but it's just the truth. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm still trying to figure out what way to part my hair, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this eye look. This has been like my go-to. Is like the purples and the pinks, just anything warm tone, because it is very hard to do anything with pink hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, leave a like down below, subscribe to my channel, and comment, just sound off below. I want to hear some ideas for future tutorials or just new looks to try out. Basically anything you guys want to see, I'm gonna do it. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys.